What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're enjoying my videos here on my channel. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button too to activate the notification button and you get notified every time I upload a new video. Today, our video gonna be nice, good video as always. Tons of information in this video. I'm going to do a few curling techniques and I will show you how we achieve those, what is the best products to use to get the best result and why we use those different techniques. So kind of, get different looks, different effect and see when we can use those different techniques and how to achieve them in the best way. So let's go and start the video step by step. Okay guys, so here I'm using today Dalida by Wally Shaker, which is my mannequin. If you like this mannequin, you want to purchase it, I will put the link below in the description under the video and the first comment. You just can click on my website and you go purchase it if you like. So the most important part when I come and work on the hair, very important to make sure the hair is clean and prepared to work on. Okay, so like this condition right now, it's ready to do whatever I want because it's clean, shampooed, conditioner, and I did the blowout, so now it's ready to go. Now I want to show you the curling iron I'm using. So here I have the Bio-Ionic, okay, and I have my Babyliss. You can see this rod is way longer. This is great for long hair especially. So can I use both on longer hair? Yes, but I prefer to use this one today. Why? Because when I'm working on longer hair, the longer rod, definitely this 2 inches, I believe there's at least 2 inches longer, is gonna give me this extra space to work faster on the longer hair. So makes my job easier. Can you use the shorter one? Yes, but that's kind of a little bit harder because you have a shorter rod, so it's up to you. What you have, it's fine. I have many of them. So I bought the Bio-Ionic because it was really a long rod, which I love it, and absolutely fantastic one. And if you like them, guys, I'm gonna put them in. I'm gonna put the links and in the description under the video, so you can check them out. And if you like them, you can purchase them. So now, before I go and start doing the techniques, I'm gonna show you with the curls. The most important part, you need to know this. The hair, when it's closer to the scalp, it's healthier and stronger. So the hair here is the healthiest. When we go further away from the scalp, the hair start get weaker and weaker and weaker till for sure you see the end. The weakest part is the end. So healthier, the more we move forward, like away from the scalp, the hair start get weaker. So when I use heat, very important to use heat protection. So today I'm gonna use Aveda heat protection. I love Aveda stuff. And if you like it too, I'm gonna put the link under the video so you can purchase it. So don't worry about the products I'm using today because I will put the links in the description, okay? So very important, when you spray the heat protection, do not spray in this area. Here the hair is healthy, doesn't need, okay? What's important is to protect kind of after the mid shaft to the end. This is the most important part to protect in the hair because it's very fragile and break easily and split easily. So this is the part we need to spray and protect the most. So kind of like this is mid shaft kinda, and this is the part, is the weakest part of the hair. So we need to protect this part. So when we spray, we are going to spray here, not here closer to the scalp. So now it's all clear. Let's go and start the video step by step. So the first thing we are going to, as I said, we're gonna spray. So very important, just 1, 2, 3. Do like a little flip like this. So in and out, 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Now get the comb and comb it so that the product go evenly on the hair. So now the hair is ready to start work on it. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this section like this, move this hair away, and we are going to work on this section. Okay? Okay guys, as you see here, look how I'm doing the technique. I'm just wrapping it around. I'm keeping the hair flat and I'm wrapping it around and hold it enough to give it enough heat so I get the good curl I'm looking for. Very important to keep it long enough. It's like 15, 20 seconds, 25 seconds, and then you don't drop it. Hold it, let it cool down a little bit, and then drop it to hold longer curl. This is the first technique. As you see, I will turn around a little bit. This is the first technique. This is kind of the classic old way, okay? Now we're gonna take the second section, the middle one, and move the rest around, away. So the second technique, look what I'm going to do. I'm going to wrap it and then twist. And then twist. You see my wrist movement? Look how I would twist. This is the glam, what we call the twist technique. This is the glamorous Hollywood weave. If you want to do any Hollywood weave, this is the technique you need to learn. And hold it. Do not drop it. I hold it enough there, few seconds just to let it cool off, and then I drop it slowly, okay, to keep better curl. And this is the second technique. It's more the glamorous technique. Here, this technique, we use it more like on Hollywood weave. Later, like you see right now in the picture, this is the one we are going to talk more about it later. Okay, now we're gonna come to the third technique. And this technique, we see it more recently. It's kind of the newest technique. Lately, people use it, which has more straight ends. So what we do, this is how we do this technique. The third technique, look how I wrap it, hold it a little bit to give it a little bit heat, and then I'm gonna do this little twist and pull down. Look how I'm gonna do the twist, pulling down, hold it a little bit, do a twist, and then hold it down and pull it down straight. That's it. Okay guys, so here we go. This is our first curl. This we did the classic curl, just as, you know, just you saw how I did it, like it was like kind of flatty, and I was wrapping it around the curling iron. So it's just more like wrapping, okay? So this is the classic one, which means maybe the one of the oldest technique. So this one, it's more the glam, and this is, we use it when we do Hollywood weave, which I'm showing right now in the picture. This is the technique to go for. This is gorgeous. Okay, so you wanna do a Hollywood weave, definitely you wanna do the twist technique. So now we go to the third one, which kind of the newest technique. Now we see it so much in the salon, and you saw how I did the wrapping, but I was kind of, every time I wrap one time and I do this little twist with the curling iron, and the end is more straighter, so you see the straight end. Some people like this effect, some people doesn't. That's why we have too many different styles, but this is kind of is the newest technique, which the flat nor the straight end. Can we do this technique with the flat iron? So now I'm gonna show you. This is my curling iron. This is the sheet, Deep Brilliance, absolutely beautiful. I'm going to put the link in the description below too if you wanna purchase, if you like it. Absolutely gorgeous flat iron. So I'm going to show you how I'm gonna do this technique with the flat iron. So now we are going to spray. I forgot to show you the first course how I sprayed. So now you can see I spray from mid shaft end. I comb to make sure the products go evenly to the entire hair section. And now we are going to do the twist technique with the flat iron. Very simple. Look, it's very simple. Season it first, I give it some heat, and then I'm gonna wrap it, hold it a little bit, and then twist, and then hold it a little bit, and then twist and pull down. That's it. As you see, this is the curling iron, and this is the flat iron. Okay guys, so this is our video for today. I hope you liked it. I want to mention this technique here, the more the flatty, and this is the twist, this technique here. I mean, you can use them for any style. I mean, you know, whatever you like. But if you want to do the Hollywood weave, very important to learn this technique, the one that has the twist in it, to give you this S beautiful shape. So if you want to do the Hollywood weave, definitely this is the technique for you, the S shape it's gonna give you. So the twist technique, the one in the middle. And you saw this with the flat iron. You can achieve it with the curling iron or flat iron. This is the newest technique when you do the twist in it. So I hope you liked my video. I hope you enjoyed the information I gave you in this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends so everybody learn. And as I always say, I love you guys, and I see you in a new video, a new idea, and ciao for now.